Welcome to the GE Video Academy. This video will demonstrate how to set up the data reporting service on the WiYZ gateway. Log into the WiYZ gateway's web interface. Note that this video assumes that remotes are provisioned to the gateway and are configured with profiles that send I/O data to the I/O database. Using the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the web interface, click on the arrow next to Configuration and then click on Services. Locate the Data Reporting Service section. Click on the Enable button. DRS is designed to send data from the I/O database via FTP or SFTP to a server. Ensure that a server is running on the intended endpoint. Choose the transfer protocol that matches the server's configuration. Next, enter the IP address of the server. The WAN interface should be configured as the interface being used for DRS. In this case, the cell interface has been chosen. Enter the remote port of the server. If not filled in, the gateway will default to 21 for FTP and 22 for SFTP. Then enter the login credentials of the server into the remote username and remote password fields. If the server is not pointing to the desired file location, enter the new file extension starting with the /. The customer ID is an optional 4-character tag that will be added to the beginning of the exported file's name. Choose a trigger size. These vary from 8 kilobits to 5 megabits in size. The file will be sent from the gateway to the configured server once the data collected exceeds the trigger threshold. This value should be chosen based on the desired frequency of updates from the gateway. This will also depend on the size of the mesh network and the amount of data being sent from the remotes. Once all the parameters have been configured, click the Commit button. At this time, the gateway will start creating an internal data file from the I/O database. To verify the server's connection with the gateway, click the Send Test File button. Allow a moment for the test file to be sent. Click the Refresh Status button to view the transfer status. If the file arrives at the server, all configurations are correct. If the file does not arrive at the server, refer to the transfer status information for failure details. The gateway will retry 3 times before saving the file internally, and then waiting until the next file is sent to send the previous file. Depending on the system and the trigger size chosen, it may take a few seconds to a few hours for the data file to be sent to the server. Data files that are sent are saved in a .csv format, which allows ease of plotting and viewing the data. This video was created as a starting point to the data reporting service. For more details about the service, refer to the WiYZ System Manual via Publication 05-4954 A01 on the GE MDS website.